I've had a very useful 2-hour conversation with the panelists led by Mheshimiwa Noah Wekesa. 2-hour conversation, which was very useful, I believe. And because I'm not at liberty to divulge the contents of that conversation, I stress conversation, not an interview. I know that you may want to ask a question. You had said you are not coming. And I want to tell you that the decision to come was my decision because I realized we didn't want to give anybody an excuse whatsoever to say, aligomea kuja. So I'm here, and I can tell you it has been a wonderful conversation.
What will I bring on the table? First of all, I said I will bring certain experience in leadership and the cordial relationship and the fighting spirit of trying to do things right in this country, and the teamwork that I've experienced, that I've had with him when we worked in government all the time, when we were in opposition together. If it is me, I am obviously the best. If that panel of distinguished people who are picked, very well selected, very carefully, if they were to pick somebody else, we will go with their choice, because they must be looking at who is best suited.
I have walked the journey with Raila Odinga for the last 3.5. In fact, I think of the people appearing before the panel, I'm the one who has walked with him longest. And it was not a question of being a running mate all these years. It has never been. And he's been on record saying, I've never asked for anything. My support for him is passionate, because I think he'll give Kenya a reset moment where we can again pick up from where we are and go further. So, in the unlikely event that I'm not the one fronted, I still remain in Azimio and give my full support as I've given before.